Today I have a 2007 Honda CRV, and customer complaint is that when you raise the window up, see, I'm gonna press this one and it goes up, but then I'm gonna press it again and it doesn't go up. See, now it goes up. Bring it down, it does go down, but it's having a hard time going up. So see, now I'm trying to press it up and it's not going up. Now to diagnose this, you press this one. If it does go up, go back up again. The window regulator, window actuator is good. See, it goes back down. Raise it up, it goes up. But when we do it here, it does go down. The window does go down, but see, now lifting it up, and then it's having a hard time lifting up. I'm gonna change this one, the master switch, and that should fix the problem. It should look like this. I mean, I already ordered the parts because I'm gonna replace it. So we're gonna remove the door panel. We'll start from here. Then there's two screwdriver, Phillips screw. Take them out. Set the bolt aside so that you don't lose it. Ah, shit, I just lost it. There's another one right here. So you gotta remove the cover. Another screwdriver. Take this cover out. And there's an access here in the bottom. Take this cover out. What we got here? We have another screwdriver. And from there, this is attached by retainer, so just pull it, stuff on the bottom. Or if you have like one of those panel trim remover, get those. Here's mine. Let me get mine. Do it on the bottom. Just pop the retainers. What is it? Oh, there's another one right here on the side. So I was like, man, drop it on the side. Okay, brace it up, pull up. So from this angle, you see this? Oh, shit. This thing does come on. Oh, okay. There you go. So this thing pops off, just unplug it, unhook it, unhook this. Then there's a harnesses that we need to remove on the bottom. So just rotate this so we can see the bottom portion. All right, that's how you remove the door panel in this car. What we need to do is take these bolts out. How many are there? We also have to take out this 3. So we can just pop this off. Then just pull the part to the side. There you go. Should have this whole thing. Now you'll see the 4 bolts that we need to remove for the master switch. Match it up. Looks the same. It's the same. You can't miss it. Alright, that's it. Now we're going to be installing this pad. So alright, there you go. After that, we'll be installing the handle portion. So just plug it in. Make sure you get some of the proper angles. Push it in. Make sure you hit the snap. Once it snaps, flip it back again. And let's install the bolts. Bolts on top. Alright, that's it. Make sure we have the everything that's here, all. Wait, missing one, something else here. Just take that out. Take the retainer, transfer it on the door panel. So if you're missing everything that's on the door panel, most likely it's on the chassis. So start installing the door panel. Start with the harness. And then this, make sure the harnesses snaps. Once we got the harness, we flip this over and then hooked it up. It should snap. There you go. Then to install the panel itself, you start from the top, push it up, and then push it back down. Push it back down. Everything is aligned. Push down the door panel. Alright, now everything's locked. Don't forget this one for the window. It's over here on the side. Then the rest are just screwdrivers. It's two, the ones with a special field screw goes here on the where the lock is at. Good. This one is a long one. The long one goes here in the bottom. Last one. All right, let's start up the car and see how it goes. See if it goes back down. I'm gonna press it, and there is no time lag. Raise it up. See, it goes back up. Bring it down again. All right, that's it. We're gonna end the video, guys. This is how you replace the master switch 2007 Honda CRV. Questions, comments, concerns, write it down in the comment section. I hope that this video gave you guys the confidence to work in your car today. It's fairly simple. Just make sure that after you put everything back together, that you check your door if it locks or unlocks. if you know, if it opens or not. If it doesn't open, make sure that go back where your cable is from. Go back and open up the door panel and see where the cable. Maybe it's not attached or something. If you guys watched the entire video, I appreciate y'all. I have a lot of more videos about the CRV, and not just CRV, but any type of vehicles. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.